Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix proximity sensor not working on an iPhone. And here's how it is done. To begin, let us run a hardware test for the proximity sensor. Go to your App Store, search for hardware test. Install Check My Device app to your phone. Once installed, open the app, scroll down until you reach the sensor category. Click Proximity Test. Just follow the command. If your screen goes off, then your proximity sensor works. But if it doesn't, follow the next step. Aside from that, clean the proximity sensor located near the top of your phone screen. Any dirty or covering such as case or screen protector may cause your sensor to not function properly. Lastly, update your iPhone. Go to Settings, scroll down and click General. Tap Software Update now if there is an available update. If there is none, go back and look for the Transfer or Reset option. Click Reset and reset all settings. If you are still having trouble with the proximity sensor on your iPhone, you may need to contact Apple support for further assistance or have the device checked by a technician. And that is everything you need to know about how to fix proximity sensor not working on an iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.